Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. The 10 bestseller home finds on AliExpress that are on a big saving sale right now. All deals by links in the comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Number 1. Introducing the INSC S9 30 kPa 400W stick cordless vacuum cleaner. This powerful vacuum features a 400W brushless motor, delivering up to 30 kPa suction power. Perfect for tackling pet hair, cat litter, and other messes on various surfaces, including hard floors, carpets, and more. With 4 suction modes, including a smart induction mode, the INSC S9 adapts to your cleaning needs. Its detachable battery offers up to 55 minutes of runtime, ensuring you can clean your entire home in one go. The LED display and 3 color ring lights keep you informed about the vacuum status. The INSC S9 comes with 2 rollers and an anti-tangle brush, making it ideal for both hard floors and carpets. Its edge cleaning capabilities ensure no corner is left untouched. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the INSC S9 cordless vacuum cleaner today. Number 2. Portable Home Mini Automatic Floor Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This compact yet powerful device is designed to tackle all your cleaning needs. With its small body, it easily navigates through tight spaces and cleans those hard-to-reach corners. This 3-in-1 marvel combines vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping, making it an efficient and multifunctional cleaning tool. Its fully automatic operation means you can sit back and relax while it does all the work. Perfect for those who want to save time and effort. Whether it's dust or spilled drinks, this robot handles it all with ease. The K16 model operates at 3.7V and charges via USB, making it convenient and versatile. Say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to a spotless home with this amazing device. Number 3. GOOVI Spot Cleaner. This powerful handheld carpet cleaner comes in 2 models, 450W and 750W. With suction power of 11 kPa and 15 kPa respectively. It's perfect for cleaning sofas, curtains, and even car interiors. With a clear water tank capacity of 1,080 milliliters and a dirty water tank capacity of 800 milliliters, you can clean more with fewer interruptions. The GOOVI Spot Cleaner features a spray suction integrated machine that ensures efficient cleaning. It operates at a noise level of less than or equal to 80 dBA and has a protection class of IPX4, making it safe and quiet to use. The power cord length is 5.5 m and the hose is 1.2 m long, providing ample reach for various cleaning tasks. Certified by CE and CB, this cleaner is reliable and meets high safety standards. Whether you choose the 450W or 750W model, you'll enjoy powerful suction and efficient cleaning. Number 4. Are you tired of restless nights and waking up with aches? Meet the Core Mattress Topper, your solution for ultimate comfort and support. This 5-zone memory foam topper is designed to relieve pressure from head to toe, ensuring a restful sleep in any position. Infused with cooling gel, this topper disperses heat and enhances breathability, perfect for those who need to stay cool. Made from CertiPURUS certified high-density memory foam, it offers the perfect balance of comfort and support. Upgrade your old mattress effortlessly with the Core Mattress Topper. Simply lay it flat in a ventilated area for 24 to 48 hours to let it expand to its full size. Enjoy a cozy, stable sleep experience every night. Number 5. Egg Cooker Automatic Power Off Home. This multifunctional machine is perfect for cooking up to 7 eggs at once, whether you prefer them boiled or as a delicious steamed egg custard. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens or single-person households. Simply add water and eggs, and let the machine do the rest with its convenient automatic power-off feature. Not only is it efficient, but it's also versatile. You can prepare a variety of breakfast dishes quickly and easily. With a rated power of 350W and available in both US 110V and EU 220V, this egg cooker is designed to meet your needs. Plus, it comes with plug recommendations for various countries, ensuring you can use it wherever you are. Say goodbye to the hassle of cooking eggs on the stove. This egg cooker is here to simplify your mornings and make breakfast a breeze. Get yours today and enjoy perfectly cooked eggs every time. Number 6. Introducing the 500 milliliters Aroma Diffuser with a beautiful wood grain finish. This essential oil aromatherapy diffuser is perfect for your home or office. With a water storage capacity of 300 milliliters and a power output of 5 W, it ensures silent humidification and delicate water mist. The colorful ambient light can be customized to your preference, adding a touch of elegance to any space. This diffuser features a water shortage and power outage protection, along with 4-gear timing options. Made from durable PC and ABS materials, it operates at a voltage of DC 5V and has a spray mist volume of 20-45 ml/L. Despite its compact size, it delivers a powerful performance, making it an ideal addition to your wellness routine. Please note that due to different shooting angles and lighting, the color may vary slightly. Also, manual measurement may result in a 1 to 2 millimeters error. This product does not include a remote control. Check out the comment box for buy link. Number 7. Multifunctional Vegetable Slicer Cutter Chopper. This versatile kitchen gadget is made from high-quality ABS and stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. Available in red, blue, and green, it features a large diameter feeding port and a vacuum silicone suction cup for stable operation. The ergonomic handle design makes it comfortable to use, while the high-quality knife edge allows for precise slicing, shredding, and grating. With its one-button lock and food-grade materials, this slicer is both practical and safe. Included in the package are the vegetable cutter and 3 knife edges, all packed in an English color box. Perfect for any kitchen, this slicer makes food preparation easy and efficient. Check out by link and comment below. Number 8. Portable USB Mini Handheld Clip Fan. This ultra-quiet, rechargeable fan is perfect for students and anyone needing a compact cooling solution. With 3 fan speeds and a mechanical timer control, you can easily adjust the airflow to your liking. Designed for convenience, this fan can be clipped onto various surfaces, making it ideal for home use. It operates on a 5V battery and provides natural, sleep, and prevailing wind modes. Plus, it's CE certified, ensuring safety and quality. Made from durable plastic, this fan is both lightweight and sturdy. Whether you're studying, working, or just relaxing, the Humidifier fan will keep you cool and comfortable. Number 9. Introducing the Electric Spin Scrubber, a powerful bathroom cleaning brush with 5 replaceable heads. Made from durable ABS and nylon, this scrubber ensures a spotless home with just one click. Whether it's the kitchen, bedroom, toilet, or living room, this versatile tool handles it all. The charging version comes with a nylon brush head, sponge brush head, cashmere brush head, USB cable, hook, and double-sided adhesive for your convenience. Please note, slight color differences may occur due to lighting and monitor settings. Also, allow for minor size variations due to manual measurement. Embrace effortless cleaning with the Electric Spin Scrubber. Number 10. Multi-Layer Home Medicine Box, your ultimate solution for first aid and medication organization. Made from high-quality plastic, this durable storage case is designed to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring your essentials are always safe. With its large capacity and multi-layer design, this medicine chest provides ample storage space for all your household essentials. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for those who are always on the go. In case of an emergency, this versatile box can store important documents, medication, and other vital items. Plus, its sleek and modern design adds a touch of elegance to any room. Don't miss out on this must-have home accessory. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. All products buy links in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.